how to create a website with just simple clicks, drag and drop using InstaFunnels. My name is Bernard C from the marketsolvers. So if you have watched my previous video demonstrating how to use InstaFunnels to create an e-learning course, please do take note that InstaFunnels has been upgraded to a better version, which I am about to show you some of its awesome features. Hence today, we will be creating a website for a restaurant. I'll be using a WordPress website as a reference for all of you to picture what I plan to design my website. So as you can see from the screen here, this is the website that I plan to recreate from scratch using InstaFunnels. So this is the WordPress website. Please do note that all the animations here, I will not copy exactly 100%, but I just want to show you how to use InstaFunnels just to create a simple version of this website. So first of all, I think I will get probably this homepage, maybe something similar. And also I will get maybe the restaurant section, including this photo. The photo I'll replace with something else. It doesn't necessarily has to be this. And also maybe I will go for this section, meet the chefs, just a simple template on how to design it. Okay, this one skip just to save time. Other services maybe no, and probably okay, reservation will do. So reservation, maybe instead of create a form like this, I just try to tweak the template a bit and just to see if I can fit all of them or such. Maybe I just fit the main things like name, email, phone, date time, etc. Customer reviews, yeah, just maybe one simple one will do. And then this one we skip the get in touch. And then finally we have a footer. So just to recap, going up again. So we're getting this homepage, restaurant section, the chefs, and then the reservation, customer reviews, and finally the footer. So let's move on to InstaFunnels. So right now I'm at the interface of InstaFunnels. So I've made a simple record, as you can see on my notepad, on the sections that I'm about to create for you guys to shoot on the spot. Okay, so let's go to the website right away. Once you index this section, just click add new website. Then I'll just type something restaurant, a restaurant website. Okay, once you're done, hit the create website button. Okay, once you create it, then you can see there's a add new page button right here. Click add new page. In this case, for this page, I'll just name it a home page. Just like this. Then for the path, this is in case you have a domain, then you can type the path. But in this case, we are not having a domain, just a simple preview link that InstaFunnels actually provide you, and you just publish that link, and that will do. Then in case that you want to go for the free option. So for now, we just ignore this part. I'll just go and create a new page straight away. Homepage, once you have this, just click the edit button. Let's dive into the interface. Okay, give it a while to load. Alright, okay, take a while to load. Okay, so first of all, you have this option here. So in this case, they ask you to create a section. So in this case, you just click full width. You just get your first section. And then just make sure you allow rows to take the entire width, because this is what we want. We want the whole thing to cover the page, the screen. Okay, let's go click add row. In this case, we only have maybe we probably have two stuff, but I think one column should be fine. Let's go for one column. And in this case, just go and add an element. You'll get a headline. Then we'll have a button right here. So just click the plus sign and you have a button. Okay, there you go. You do the designing, you do some simple designing. Try not to spend too much time doing the design. Okay, so from here we will need a background picture, just like this. That's a simple one will do. So in this case, I just go to the unsplash.com and actually get a simple image that represents something about food, since we are doing a restaurant site. Okay, this one looks awesome. We'll just go and get this picture. Okay, open image to new tab. Just want to copy the link over. Alright, okay, background image. Let's go for this. Alright, there you go, it's up already. Okay, opacity. Let's make it this. So fill 100% width. Nah, maybe not. Full center. Okay, no repeat. Alright, that's not good. 100% width and height. Okay, there we go. So now it's a bit compressed, but never mind. We'll fix this right now. So first of all, this one change the text to white. Okay, write it here. So you can see it's quite clear now. And let's adjust the padding top. Let's get 30. Margin. Let's make it look nice. Bottom 30. And you have the padding bottom. Yeah, just like this you should do. Okay, so now we have this much. Just stretched up nicely. Let's now move on to the button. I think. Let's see what this guy has. Maybe a transparent button. Okay. Oh, does it look nice for our case? So maybe we'll give it an orange button. Yeah, that'll do. And here, okay, so it says reserve a table. Let's go. Reserve a table. And we can say this will be scroll to element. So I don't fill this first because we haven't complete the entire page. So once this is done, I'll come back to here again. So reserve face, we can have maybe an icon picker. Let's see, a table. Or maybe a table. Let's see, we have a table. Okay, maybe not. Something like a calendar will do. Okay, this one looks good. Alright, this is a table. And we have maybe make this welcome to meal. Welcome to meal. Then make the desktop font size maybe about 50. Make it bigger. See the mobile. Okay, looks a bit too small. Let's make it bigger as well. Okay, well it looks a bit better. So you can see that the image is still a bit compressed, but that's okay. Just need to add more margin. Guess we're at 50 here and maybe 50 here. We can add 100, will do. Okay, so we have it quite nicely up. Maybe we just eliminate the padding. Okay, probably scaling the margin bottom just to make it nice. And padding top. Nah, doesn't really fit. I think we'll probably have to deal with this one. Okay, we increase the padding for this. Maybe margin top can reduce. About 50 and bottom will be 50. Okay, this much. Yeah, just like this will do. Okay, so now we move on to the next section, the restaurant. Okay, all I need to do, just go here, add section, full width. Okay, we have another section. So in this case, we have probably a header, and we have some paragraphs, and then a picture. Okay, so just let us be quick now. Add element, we have a headline, then we have maybe a paragraph, just some paragraph text here, and then we have a picture. Okay, in this case an image. Alright, there we go, we're done. So just to save time, we just copy and paste, get this quick. The restaurant, then we can bulk this. Then we can have, maybe you can copy this one. Okay, it seems that this is justified. And maybe another food image. Let's go for this one. Okay, same thing, get the link. Okay, cool. Font size is a bit small. Let's go, maybe we go for 20. Right, headers do seem small. Let's go for 50. Make sure it looks good for the mobile too. Alright. Okay, there you go. And we are practically done for this section. Let's maybe add some margin. Okay, bottom. And this one be some bottom. Okay, yeah, we're done with this. Alright, the image. Okay, image looks a bit too big. Let's shrink it down. Probably 400. Yeah, 500 should do. Okay, that's all. Then we have maybe, just keep it plain and simple. Okay, go to the next section. Alright, now go for the meet the chefs. So right now you see that we have a header and we have 2 columns. Okay, let's bring it on. We have this. Okay, make sure you take full width for the column. Okay, so now we have this, and probably we'll duplicate the row. Then we duplicate the column, so we have this too. Right, we have a headline here. Meet the chefs. Okay, this is bolded. Okay, something as big as this would be 50 this time. This one is 50. Okay, meet the chefs. Alright, then we have a simple image of a person. Just put one here. Then we can put a headline. This one same too, put a headline. And then we have maybe a sub headline. Okay, we go a sub headline. And now we go for the paragraph. Okay, so now we are done with that. Alright, there we go. So this may be, okay, in this case, we'll just say chef 1. And maybe chef 2. Okay, there we go. And now we'll just have to get some photos for a chef. See, chef, maybe we go for, okay, this guy looks nice. Let's go for him then. Bring image to a new tab, get the image. Same goes to him. Okay, looking good. Maybe we have a width. Okay, 150 looks good. Oh, that's all. Okay, we have chef 1, chef 2. And say, okay, master chef. Master chef. And this one will be a master chef. Okay, paragraph text looks a bit small. Go for a third, maybe 25. Then goes to mobile. Go for 25. Same goes to here. Just have a check. Yeah, 35 looks fine. Okay, master chef looks a bit small here with text. Okay, 25 and then 25. Right, there you go. What if this kind of more or less set? Maybe reduce the size for this. 20. Okay, but we maintain the mobile. Yeah, mobile thing. Okay, I think we should go for 20. 20, and we have probably 20 here. Okay, that looks good. Alright, let's move on to the next section. Meet the chefs, we are done. Now let's go for, okay, reservation. The chefs, yep, reservation. So for reservation, I'll just make it really simple because I know I'm worried that the video is too long. So in this case, maybe just add a section, full width. Oh, my apologies, just click here, yeah. Okay, then now we have the section. Okay, reservation. So what does the website have? Okay, we have maybe a main heading and we have a sub-headline. And then we have a form. So in this case, I will not do the form, just to keep things simple. Just create a button that will link you to a WhatsApp link. So let's begin. We have one column here, same as usual. We get a headline, and we will probably get the sub-headline because we have that. And then we just go for, just change the word, reservation. Next, we'll have probably, okay, it's a free website template for restaurants. Okay, that's a WordPress template. I'll just change the description here. Reserve your table right below. Okay, as I promised, let's have a button to get things sorted. Okay, this seems very cramped. Let's add some margin, just to space things up. Okay, this is good. And we have 15. Alright. Keep things consistent. And we have contact us today. And we have a subtext. Click here to begin. Contact us today. Then we, when it comes to contact, you're gonna need a phone. Oh, let's have a modern phone then. Contact us today. And we can have some animation. Don't need effects. We'll get a rocking. Okay, there you go. This has animation. Then moving back to this table. Reserve a table. Then we go for, yep, scroll the element. No element set. We just find the button. Okay, so now it's hooked. Let's go back here. This case, this one should actually go to website URL. So I actually created a WhatsApp link here. So just say, well, this is the number, we'll make a reservation, generate the link. Okay, this is the link. Let's copy it. I'm gonna paste it here. So what does this do is that it will link you from the website directly to the WhatsApp with the contact, with directly the conversation with that person. The number will be shown there, and you just send the message. This message is pre-made for you. Once you link through the WhatsApp, click send, and there you go, done. Right, we have the reservation up, and finally we have customer review and a footer. Okay, customer reviews. Simple, heading, paragraph, and then the image and some description. Okay, without further ado, let's go. Same thing, full width, add row, one column. And we have a heading and a sub-headline. Heading, sub-headline. Okay, maybe a paragraph this time. Paragraph. 2020. Okay, there you go. And you get the set margin bottom. Okay, instead of me copying this, maybe just say something like This place is awesome. Customer 1. I plan to do this, but I realized that I've been recording for quite a while. I just want to keep the video as short as possible. Alright, we have done the simple one. Maybe just want to say testimonials. Okay, done. In the next section, then we have probably a footer. So the footer will be here. Maybe we ignore this part. We just go for these two. Then we are good to go. Maybe an about meal, and then we have lunch and dinner service. Then we are done. Okay. So at row we have 2 columns straight away. Then this one our full width. Headline. Then we have a paragraph. And we have a button. Button will align left for this. And then we have a headline, maybe a sub-headline, paragraph, sub-headline, paragraph. Sub-headline, paragraph, sub-headline, paragraph. Okay. So we will make it left line, left line, left line. Yes, and it goes to this left line, left line. Right? We basically have the SketchUp. Then we just copy paste. Whoops. Not new. We'll bulk this text. Bulk this text, add a bit of margin. Maybe 10 will do. So it goes to 10. Button, make it orange. Read more. Okay, copy, paste. Paste done. Desktop font size, maybe make it about 18. Okay, there you go. Then here, lunch service. And then we have a dinner service. Okay, booking from 12 to 1:30. Booking from 12 to 1:30, and we have maybe every day booking from 6 to 9. Right, let's increase the size. 18. Same as this one, 18, 18, maybe this one will be 18 as well. 18, 18. Then we will bold this. Okay, there we have it. Now we have a bottom, maybe 5 margin. Same goes to this. Then we have this one too, 5. We have a 5. Okay, now we are one step closer. Finally, we'll have a copyright. So copyright, what you should do, just add a section, add 1 row, add an element, add a divider, then you add a simple paragraph, line left, this one allow rows to full width, then you eliminate all the padding, just to keep it very, very flat. Okay, there you go. It's really, really flat. And copyright, all right reserved. Okay, there you go. We're done with the website. Okay, so now save before we preview. It's actually all the SEO data settings that you can set later. So I will not be including that in the video. I just want to show you guys how to design a website. So if you want to know how to set the SEO or some other technical stuff, then please feel free to stay tuned in this channel for the next video, okay? So now we have saved the website and we have a preview. This will be the desktop preview and here will be the mobile. So this is how the mobile look like. I know the image is not so good, but well, it's a fit to 100% with. Hence, there's something you need to take note on the image that you select, okay? So this is the mobile version, radio, meet the chefs, chef 1, chef 2, reservation, contact us, testimonials, about meal, yeah, cool, that's all. And this will be the desktop version. Go, account meal, restaurant, meet the chefs, reservation, testimonials, and about meal. Done. So that's all for today's episode. I hope that you enjoyed the episode on how you design a website using InstaFunnels. So if you are watching this video from YouTube, please do not forget to like and subscribe. It is all in the right corner of the video. If you are watching through my Facebook page, don't forget to like and share to whoever that you feel that will be useful on getting some knowledge and information on how to make a website through this video, okay? So guys, that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next episode in Market Solvers.